crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel, Margaret Knob Designs. I just wanted to do a quick video to follow up on one of the design team projects that I had done. I did a folio with my Snowman and Friends collection from Country Craft Creations. This is the folio that I made, and such a cute paper collection. And so I still have some left over, and I may even have more yet as I go through. I'm thinking about making some more of these, and also making a card box so I could make this as a gift for a friend. But just wanted to show you my cards real quickly and just see what I did. This is one of the cut aparts from the 8x8, and then I used a 1-inch blue square and made these pattern paper 7/8 of an inch by 7/8, and I double matted with the Artisan Cardstock here and a white cardstock, and then just put some of the strip on the inside to decorate that a little bit. And then here we've got another snowman, and same thing, 1-inch squares. I used my square punch, my 1-inch punch, and then I just cut these pieces 7/8 by 7/8 and put one of the border strips in there. This is another card, again double matting that, and I took a little bit of a different take on it. Cut aparts from the 8x8, 1-inch, and I just kind of mixed them up a little bit and put my stacked Merry Christmas on this card. Each of these sentiments are 3 high. I cut them out 3 times just to give them a little bit more depth and dimension. And then this is a little bit of a different one, and you'll see that some of these don't have sentiments on them, so part of it is because I can either put happy birthday on it, I can put thank you or thinking of you, so I left some of these blank, and I may just give this one, you know, the way it is. So again, it's a cut apart from the 8x8, and these are, you know, backed pieces of the cardstock. And then this is one of my favorite ones too, because of the little snowman, and just different pieces cut from the 8x8 collection, and then putting in some of the strips of the cards or the paper, and then took a piece of the ephemera and put that down on there. And I think I did that in one other, yeah, in the inside of this one I did a piece of the border strip and then one of the cut aparts onto this. So this is my collection of my crafty cards from Snowman and Friends from Country Craft Creations. There's 5 of those cards here, and I think they're pretty cute. But then again, I love this paper collection because it is the cutest collection with these snowmen on here. So if you haven't yet, please run out and get this collection, and you will not be sorry. There'll be a lot that you can do with it, and you will enjoy creating with this paper collection. Thanks so very much. You have a wonderful night, and I appreciate your time with me, and thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.